So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made $550 in 8 days, working about 2 hours a day. So last summer, I decided to do something different. I started my landscaping business from scratch and I tried it out on my free time. And I ended up having 8 days and working about 2 hours a day. So I was charging my customer $40 for the front yard, and if you want both the front and the backyard, that was about $80. And for trimming and extra stuff, that was about $20. The first week when I got back to home for the summer, my mom and I went to Home Depot. We bought the trimmer because we already had a lawnmower in the house. So I used my mom's lawnmower and I used the trimmer that I bought my own money for about $63 if I'm no mistake. So I probably spent about $10 on gas. As you can see, I'm walking down my neighborhood right now. I just got back from school. I'm putting on flyers on people's houses because I'm about to start cutting grass, man. I'm not gonna sleep this summer. All about money. I'm gonna take you out to the journey. As I told you, entrepreneur straight out of the mud. That's who I am. Getting paid $80 to cut somebody's grass, it's amazing. Like literally you get paid, you make like $80 an hour for just cutting grass and then go chill, play video game, whatever after. For me, that's a very huge advantage to take care of that most people don't want to do, especially young men, because they think that if you cut grass you're not valued. That is not true. If you cut grass and make $80 an hour, you're fucking smart. That's one of the reasons why I like America, man. In Africa, you get paid $2 to cut somebody's grass, and here you get paid $80. Freaking love it. Most people spend time complaining about what they don't have instead of trying to make things work, and that's ridiculous. Well, I'm dragging down my lawnmower to somebody's house so I can cut the grass. I could be home complaining about, damn, I don't have a car, or nobody can help me drag those stuff down the neighborhood. But I make things work. I get up, find a way to my mom help me with this wood to set up all my stuff that I need to cut grass, and I'm dragging it down the neighborhood myself. Instead of complaining, I make things work. That's what give me an advantage over some people. So I'm gonna go get that $80 right now. So I just booked another appointment for tomorrow, June 8th. I have 2 appointments tomorrow. Each one of them is supposed to pay me $80. So I'm gonna be making $160 tomorrow on Saturday. And I should be able to get those jobs done by within 5 hours. So I'm gonna make $160 within 5 hours. That's sick. One thing about cutting grass that people don't understand is that I get to deal with customers right away. I get to discuss the price of the business. I get to interact with them. I get to give them the best service that I can. It's not like somebody else is doing it. It's myself. So if you like the video, make sure you click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below on what you want me to do next. So, Dios, I guess.